Kapamilya, kamakailan ay nabigyan po ako ng opportunity to interview the man behind an outstanding Filipino company with a vision to make a difference worldwide. He is an engineer by profession, a father of three, triathlete, owner of Sante Barley, a 17-year-old company with subsidiaries in 10 countries. His company is the first Filipino company who was able to set up a manufacturing facility in New Zealand. He also opened distribution in the United States of America. Nandito na! So panoorin natin ang aking interview with the extraordinary Filipino, the CEO of Sante Barley, Mr. Joey Marcelo. Panoorin natin ito. Magandang lalaki sa'yo, sir.
Maganda ka pa sa
Uy, marunong na.
Of course. I'm excited to be part of your program.
Okay, thank you ha. Thank you for accepting our invitation.
Of course.
Alam ko marami kang mapapagandang buhay dito sa ating interview.
Yan ang gusto natin mangyari.
Oo. Joey, nabanggit ko kanina that engineering graduate ka, di ba? Bakit engineering ang kinuha mo?
Alam mo, tayo kasi mga Filipino, we were taught by our parents na, anak, mag-aral ka maigi. Pag graduate mo, maghanap ka ng magandang trabaho. And nung high school pa lang ako, alam ko na pag naging engineer ako, maybe, or nag-aral ka pa sa magandang school, right after graduation, pwede na kaagad ako magkaroon ng magandang trabaho.
Oh.
So, yun yung pananaw at paniniwala.
And I understand na, di ba, sabi mo nga, yung mother mo hindi nakatapos ng pag-aaral. Totoo ba yun?
Yeah, in fact, when I graduated in college, single mom na lang siya kasi namatay yung father ko. Nung grade 6 ako di ba? Nung buhay ang father ko, okay ang buhay Pero nung nawala siya, wala rin trabaho yung mom ko. So, challenging. So, ang isang pangarap ko, pag maganda ang maging trabaho ko balang araw, I can provide for the needs of my mother. May bibigay ko yung mga bagay na hindi niya naranasan.
Grabe, nakaka-touch naman. Dalawa ba kayong magkapatid?
Dalawa lang kami. Ako yung panganay, yung pangalawang kapatid, 2 years younger.
Okay. And sabi mo nga, di ba, engineering ang iyong background. Pero konektado ba sa engineering yung ginagawa mo ngayon?
Well, nagkataon na yung course ko ng college is industrial engineer. So, partly may management aspect yan. So, nakita ko na malaki rin yung tulong niyan just in case dumating yung panahon that I'm already running my own business.
Oh, pero paano ka nakapasok sa negosyo?
Well, yun nga, alam mo, hindi naman tayo pinagpala na may magulang na marunong magnegosyo. So, after 7 years of working dun sa kumpanya pinagtatrabahuan ko, I enjoyed those 7 years, na-invite ako ng isang kaibigan sa isang negosyo na hindi ko na-expect na magugustuhan ko
Anong negosyo to?
Well, all the while, I thought, invitation niya sa akin, kwentuhan lang, dinner lang kami. And then apparently, it's a direct selling business. So, initially, I was frustrated because hindi yun na in-expect ko. Pero, you know, I never listened to the presentation until I heard of a story dun sa event na yun, na isang tao na, ang sabi niya, he never graduated in college, pero last week daw, nakabili siya ng brand yung sakyan, tinas niya. So, parang namangha ako. Parang nangyari yun All the while, I thought na ito yung background ko, graduated at good school, pero it never happened to me.
Masasabi mo bang ito ay eye-opener, no, sa decision mo na mag-shift from employment to business?
Well, it's really an eye-opener kasi talagang tanggapin natin, takot akong magnegosyo because kasi kung pag nagnegosyo ako, kailangan akong tumigil sa trabaho. Comfort zone ko na yun So, may fear of running my own business.
Nag-resign ka ba kaagad?
Well, hindi. Ang ginawa ko ganito, nung nakita ko yung direct selling, na-realize ko na, wow, I can start this business na hindi ko kailangan mag-resign. Because I can do the business part-time di ba? So, tinry ko yung negosyo. When I say tinry, binigay ko naman talaga lahat While I'm still working, siguro nag-resign na lang ako after a year when I realized na this direct selling business is something that I really wanted to do for the rest of my life.
Ano naging turning point mo, no, na syempre nagtrabaho ka ng 7 years as an employee, di ba? Pero yung turning point mo na pumasok ka na sa business, was it a bold move?
It's a bold move, I believe. Simple lang. Nung time na nag-decide ako to do the business full-time, my wife is 7 months pregnant, wala rin siyang trabaho. So ako pag nag-resign ako, bibitawan ko yung sweldo. So sabi ko, this is a bold move, but if I will not do this now, I'll still decide to do this someday. So yung gawin ko na ngayon, di ba? I'll do whatever it takes. I know my commitment sa sarili ko at sa pamilya ko. Sabi ko, laban na to.
Grabe! Paano ka nagsimula ng business? Paano ito nasimulan?
Well, of course, started with direct selling, di ba? Pero ang good news dito, Ameline, habang nag-direct selling ako, I get to meet a lot of people from all walks of life. Doon ako unti-unting natututo kung paano magpatakbo ng
Ba, libre ang training.
Libre ang
Diba?
training.
Kumbaga, libreng education while
So,
you're
so
doing it.
one thing na na-appreciate ko sa direct selling business is that bukod sa readying sistema ng kumpanya, all you have to do is plug in yourself.
Oo.
Ang dahil pang training programs, educational programs, leadership programs, na alam kong ma-enhance yung sarili ko, preparing me for something bigger someday.
Galing! Pero alam mo, maraming mga Pilipino ngayon na nanonood sa atin dito sa TFC, the Filipino Channel, na gustong magsimula ng negosyo. Pero medyo natatakot, di ba? Anong mapapayo mo sa kanila?
Alam mo, totoo naman, may takot sa sarili natin kasi ayaw natin mawalan tayo ng kinikita para sa pamilya.
Oo.
Pero siguro ang unang masasabi ko sa ating mga nanonood ngayon, number one, first things first, you have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in your potential. Alright? Because I know na tayo, we are given the ability to produce wealth. Sometimes lang kailangan mo nang baguhin yung pananaw mo sa buhay.
At maniwala.
At maniwala.
Oo, sa kakayanan mo.
At maniwala, definitely there will be failure along the way, pero as you go along, yung failure na yan will be as your stepping stone towards succeeding.
Oo, napaka-importante yung believe in your potential.
Yes.
Diba? And believe also that you're given
Yes.
by our Creator the ability to produce wealth, diba? So, masasabi mo bang they might want to try direct selling as a transition from employment to business?
Ang na-realize ko talaga, direct selling can be a good transition
Mm.
from employment to a business because number one, risk-free.
Oo nga.
Alright?
Oo.
Risk-free siya, di ba? Minimal capital lang siya.
Hindi mo kailangan mangutang ng pagkalaki-laki
Hindi
para
kailangan, hindi
magtayo ng
kailangan.
negosyo.
And ang na-realize ko lang, selling is a good starting point in running your business.
Oh.
So sa direct selling, you get to learn how to talk to people. Napakamahiyain ko dati.
Talaga?
Hindi mo
Di
ako
halata.
hindi mo ako mapagsasabi ng ganito.
Oh.
Nung nag-aaral ako, uma-absent ako pag recitation.
Ngayon, ang trabaho mo, puro recitation.
Pero na-realize ko na ang isang capital ko rito is my ability to talk to people. So, pinractice ko lang yun.
Galing.
Alam ko maging foundation ko yun in running my own business someday.
Ibang klase. So, ibig sabihin, pagka pumasok ka dito, may training na, tapos may existing system na.
Yes, alam mo, sabi ko nga sa mga
Oo.
kaibigan ko, alam niyo what's the worst case scenario if you join a direct selling business? 1 year from now, kakaibang tao ka.
Oh.
Hindi ka man kumita first year, nag-aaral ka pa lang. Pero after 1 year, you get to learn how to talk to people, medyo yung confidence level mo mabuboost. That's the worst case scenario.
Oo, ang in-invest mo yung oras mo,
Yes.
'di ba? Sabi nga ng isang quotation 'di ba? Training is so expensive. Sabi ko naman, try ignorance. It's more expensive. Di ba? Mas-
I agree.
Correct. And syempre, 'di ba, isa pang maganda dito is you don't need to reinvent. Do you believe that?
Agree. Don't need to reinvent because there's already a proven system. All you have to do is just have a good learning attitude.
Oh.
Just follow the system. May mangyayari sa'yo.
At
Sigurado ko.
hindi ka pa you unutan.
Yes. Hawak mo yung oras mo. Sarili mo yung boss mo, di ba?
Oh.
You get to wake up every morning na alam mo na yung kakausapin mong tao, ito yung mga taong gusto mong kausap.
Plus you have the basic foundation already in
Yes.
running your
Definitely.
You know, Joey, I really admire you. I salute you. Imagine from nothing. Kasi, di ba, namatay nga si tatay, di ba? And at the same time, talagang single mom yung mom mo at that time. Pero look at you now. You own a 17-year-old company, Sante Barley International. May manufacturing plant pa sa New Zealand. So, parang iniisip ng ibang tao, galing naman, ma'am, kaya ko ba yan?
Alam mo, lahat naman nagsisimula yan sa day one. All you have to do is conquer that day one. And everything else will follow. Okay, ako ang lagi ko sinasabi sa mga kaibigan ko, mga kababayan nating Pilipino, the world can be a Filipinos playing field. But you have to conquer day one. Yung first step lang.
At kung kaya mo,
Kaya ng lahat.
maraming salamat,
Of
Joey. It's an honor to have you here in the show. Talagang pumunta ka pa dito sa studio sa Amerika para lang mabigyan ng tinatawag nating tip para gumanda ang buhay ng ating
Siyempre,
mga
it's my honor to do.
next time. Maraming salamat talaga, Joey. No? At syempre mga kapamilya, sana na-challenge po tayo to have our own business and hindi mo kailangan matakot, di ba? Merong paraan para magawa ito. At syempre, pwede kang kontakin, ano? Pwede kontakin for more information about Sante Barley. Saan ka pwedeng
Well, for
kontakin?
Sante, they can visit the website mysante.com. Yung Facebook naman natin is Sante USA.
Mm.
Alright, and yung phone number naman will be posted na lang siguro sa screen na natin. Yung number natin, contact number.
Thank you so much. Sana po na-inspire kayo sa ating pinag-usapan. Maraming salamat, Joey Marcelo, for your outstanding achievements. Alam mo talagang it makes all of us proud to be a Filipino. So mga kapamilya, nandito na ang Sante Barley sa Amerika.